AI can now create layouts, write website copy, generate code, and fix many basic WordPress problems. So yes, some freelance work is going to disappear, but that does not mean WordPress freelancers are going to disappear. It means the freelancers who only knows how to complete a task is in danger. The freelancer who understands the client, makes good decisions, and takes responsibility for the final results is still extremely valuable. And in this video, I want to explain how you can become that kind of freelancer. I have been working with WordPress and clients for many years. Every time a new website tool become popular, people say the same thing: web designers are finished. But the tools keep changing and clients still need help. Why? Because building something is only one part of client work. The first skill that makes you harder to replace a diagnosis. AI can generate a homepage, but somebody still needs to understand what the homepage should be. Who is the customer? What problems are trying to solve? Why should they trust the business? What action should they take, and what information is stopping from taking that action? If the client gives AI is weak prompt, AI may reduce a beautiful website with the wrong message. That website can look professional and still fail. A strong freelancer does not begin by asking which template should I use. They begin by asking what does this business need the website to do. That is diagnosis. Second skill is decision making. Clients usually do not need more options. They are already overwhelmed. They need someone who can say, for your business, I would keep the navigation simple. I would not add these features yet. Your offer needs to be clear before we redesign the page. This plugin creates more risk than value for this project. AI can give you 20 possibilities. Your value is knowing which possibilities make sense. And sometimes the best decision is to do less. The third skill is quality control. AI generated code can work today and create a problem later. AI generated copy can sound confident while saying almost nothing. AI generated layouts can look good on a large screen and break on a real customer's phone. Someone has to review the work. Someone has to test the forms, check the mobile experience, protest the website, remove unnecessary tools, and make sure the client can actually manage the site after handover. If your whole service is pressing a button and sending the result, you are competing directly with the tool. But if your service includes judgment and quality control and that tools becomes your assistant, that is a very different position. The fourth skill is communication. This part is not exciting, but it matters. A client wants to know what is happening. They want you to explain technical problems in simple language. They want clear deadlines. They want to know what you need from them. And when something goes wrong, they want a person who takes responsibility instead of disappearing. Many freelancers lose good clients because they focus only on technical skills and ignore communication. AI may help you write an email, but it cannot build trust for you if you are unreliable. The fifth skill is understanding the client's whole business. The website does not exist alone. It connects to lead generation, sales, customer support, content analysis, follow-up, and sometimes the client's internal team. The more you understand those connections, the more valuable you become. Instead of saying, I build WordPress websites, you can eventually say, I help service businesses turn their website into a clear lead and customer journey. That is a bigger responsibility than this. It also gives you more opportunities. You can help with the maintenance, landing pages, content workflows, lead follow-up, reporting or automation. Now, should you learn AI tools? Of course, ignoring AI is not a strategy. Use AI to research faster, organize content, create fast drafts, troubleshoot code, document the project, and reduce repetitive work. But do not allow the tool to become your entire skill, because tools change very quickly. The tool that everyone is talking about today may not be the tools client use next year. Your ability to understand a problem, choose the right solution, and deliver it responsibility will still matters. Here's what I would do if I were learning WordPress freelancing today. I would learn enough WordPress to control and troubleshoot the final website. I would learn how businesses get leads and customers. I would practice asking better client questions. I would improve my written and spoken communications. And I would use AI every day, but I would always review its work. The goal is to not become faster at producing average websites. The goal is to use the extra speed to think better, communicate better, and solve a more valuable problem. AI will probably replace some tasks. It may even replace a certain low value services as well. but clients will continue to pay people who understand context, reduce risk, and take responsibilities. So do not compete with AI at clicking buttons. Use AI for the buttons. You are focused on the decision, and that is the real way to become AI proof. Please comment below which of these skills do you think freelancers ignores the most: diagnosis, decision making, quality control, communication, or business understanding.